Hey, this is Jeff with Prescott Home Safety. Appreciate y'all tuning in and watching us. What we're going to do here today is we've got a pellet stove down inside the house, and we're going to clean the pipe using the same equipment we use for dryer vents. So stay tuned. All right, so like I said, we're going to be using our dryer vent cleaning tools to actually clean out this pipe that's for a pellet stove. So the attachment that we're going to be using today is the reverse whip head. You've probably seen it in some of our other videos, but this one's handy for these pellet stoves because the wiffle ball that we put on here helps keep it centered, and then all those little whips are going to do a great job at knocking loose all the ash from the pellet stove. And the other advantage is it's going to blow it all back up at us. So with pellet stoves, not all pellet stoves, but this particular insert, we can't access the bottom of the pipe from inside. It's all blocked and closed, no way to get to it. So using this tool to blow everything back up at us is going to be the best route. So stay tuned and we'll get this thing cleaned.